Good morning, student. This is MSc Physics first semester second, paper second, atoms and molecule. Now we have to discuss today the dissociation energy and dissociation product. Now, in dissociation energy of a molecule at absolute zero is the one contributed by the vibrational 0 point energy epsilon 0. The unit is per centimeter. The energy required to separate a stable diatomic molecule A and B. There are two molecules, A molecule and B molecule. In the nu is equal to 0. The vibrational state into the two unexcited atom A and B means A means first molecule and B means second molecule, that is the diatomic molecule, is known as the dissociation energy D0. The different dissociation energy are illustrated in figure 1. We have to show in next slide. D0 double prime and D0 prime are the dissociation energies of the normal and excited molecules respectively. D0 is the ground state energy and D0 prime is the ground state energy and D0 double prime is the excited state energy. The equilibrium dissociation energy dE, indicated by dE, means equilibrium dissociation energy or energy, is different from D0. D0 means ground state energy. Normal energy is given by dE is equal to D0 plus epsilon naught per centimeter. Epsilon naught means 0 point energy. Okay. Dissociation energy is equal to normal energy plus 0 point energy. The unit is per centimeter. This is equation number 1, where epsilon naught is the 0 point energy. Now the normal electron spectra of diatomic molecules consist of a series of vibrational transitions with or without rotational fine structure followed by a continuum. The electrons are revolving in this axis. It can be vibrate also revolving as well as vibration also done in this electron. The lower end of the continuum represents the energy required just to cause dissociation with zero kinetic energy. Why zero kinetic energy? Because of 0 point energy means epsilon naught is the 0. The atom is in stable condition. That's why zero kinetic energy for the dissociation product means atom. Normally, a molecule in the state corresponding to the continuum limit dissociates into a normal atom and excited atom with an exciting energy E, capital EX. EX means excited energy. E indicate the energy and EX indicate the excited energy. If EX as shown in figure 1 is the total energy of the dissociation product in the upper state minus the total energy of the dissociation product in the lower state. That is the difference between ground state energy as well as excited state energy, that is EEX. If the molecule dissociates from one of the continuum state, the energy in excess of the continuum limit will be appearing as kinetic energy of separated atom. This is figure 1 shows this is the dissociation energy figure. The D0 is the ground state energy and DE is the excited state energy. The difference between these two energies are EEX means excited state energy. The formula is nu V bar is equal to D double prime 0 plus EX. EX indicates for atomic excitation and V bar EL indicates the molecular excitation. This is the diagram. Now energy balance requires V bar is equal to continuum limit is equal to D double prime 0 plus EX per centimeter as shown in I already shown in this diagram. This is equation number 2. Also V bar is equal to continuum limit is equal to V00 plus V bar 00 plus D0 single prime, means this is the ground state energy. Hence, D double prime 0 is equal to V bar 00 plus D0 prime minus EX. This is equation number 3. This equation comes to rearrange the equation above equation. That's why the D double prime 0 is equal to V prime double 0 plus D 0 prime minus EEF. The value of V bar continuum limit is known accurately from electronics spectroscopy, and EEX is the available from atomic spectroscopy. Using these values, one can estimate the dissociation energy. The vibrational energy epsilon nu of a diatomic molecule is given by epsilon nu is equal to V nu plus half V bar E minus nu plus half square V bar E into Xe. The energy will be increased in this manner. This is the diagram we have already shown. This is the D0 is the ground state energy, D0 double prime is the upper state or excited state energy. These two energy difference is energy Ex. The formula is nu bar V bar is equal to D0 double prime plus Ex. First one is molecular abstraction, and the second is atomic abstractions. The separation between successive vibrational levels delta E, means change in epsilon, is delta E is equal to epsilon nu plus 1 minus epsilon nu is equal to VE into 1 minus 2 Xe nu plus 1 per centimeter. The separation decreases linearly with increasing nu and tends to 0 when the dissociation limit is reached, denoting the values of nu corresponding to dissociation limit delta epsilon is equal to 0 by nu max, where we have nu E bar into 1 minus 2 Xe into nu max. Nu is replaced by nu max plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, nu max is equal to 1 upon 2 Xe minus 1. The vibration energy of nu is equal to nu max is the equilibrium dissociation energy of dE, and therefore dE is equal to 1 upon dE is equal to 1 upon 2 Xe minus half into nu E bar minus of 1 upon 2 Xe minus half square Xe into nu bar E. This is the change of dissociation energy. Therefore, nu bar 0 upon 4x0, solving this equation, minus 1 upon 4 xe into nu bar 0 is approximately equal to nu e upon VE upon 4xe per centimeter. This is equation number 5. Now the value of dE may be estimated, means dissociation energy may be estimated from the known value of nu bar E and Xe, from which the value of D0 double prime can be evaluated. These are the values of excited state. This is the dissociation energy and dissociation product. Thank you very much.